guys, it's Simon here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane. Okay, let's get started. So first we're going to just grab a white blank piece of paper, like so. We're going to take the top corner, and we're going to fold it. Okay, I'll show you what this looks like from an angle in a second. So it's going to kind of look like this. You can take it, fold it, so it looks like this. Right. The next thing you're going to do, guys, is you're going to take, so you're going to, you see we have this, and you see this corner up here? You're actually going to take this and fold it down to this corner. So, now look at it. So you're taking this, folding it down, so it's like right there. You can take like a pen or something, kind of smooth it out. Okay, now that we're here, you're actually going to take this corner and you're going to fold it. Okay, so let me show you here. So you're going to be taking this on the sides and you're going to fold it in half. So it's going to look like this. Okay, now you can take your pen or whatever if you want to. Want to make it sharper. Okay, now what you're going to do after you do this is you're going to grab, okay, so this part you might get confused, it's not hard though. You fold it in half, then you take this part right here and you fold it in so it's just at that, right there. Okay, so actually this is almost done. So you can see, it's like, it was like this, and then I take this and I fold it over so it's like this. Same on the other side. You just flip it around like this on this side, take that edge there, and you, so it was like, so now it's like this. Okay, got it, guys? Next thing you're gonna do is you're just gonna, you can see, if you unfold it a little bit, like this, unfold it, you have yourselves a simple, easy to make paper airplane, and it flies pretty well. I'm pretty sure it flies very well. Actually, you know how paper airplanes work. They sometimes don't fly and they sometimes do. So, what I'm going to do now, sorry about the lighting, guys. I'm going to throw this airplane. Alright, it's kind of hard to see here, so let me move this camera. Okay, so let me throw it. Alright, it's not that easy because look how tiny my room is. So if we just head out in the hallway here, maybe this will work out better, guys. Yeah. And since I'm recording, it's kind of hard to throw it. So, but this is a good paper airplane. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. Bye.